Hey, what's up you guys? It's been a while since I've made a video. Just been a little bit lazy, been up to other things. But I wanted to make a video today to update you guys on what's going on out here. Maybe fire things up again, start making some more videos. But some of the regions around me are in a state of emergency. Manitoba basically shut down. There was an insane snowstorm. A lot of places got over a foot or 2 feet of snow. We haven't seen snow yet this year until that storm, so it was pretty wild. But all of this in the trees is under about a foot of water. So lately it's been nothing but wind and rain and overcast. It's been absolutely, it's been depressing really. Like there's just no sun. We don't see the sun anymore. It's been nothing but this gloomy overcast that you see behind me, and days and days, if not weeks, without any sun. But on the bright side, with that wind turbine, it's just howling away up there today. What do you think, Bailey? What do you think, girl? Not you, you crap dog. Hey, stop it. Let this dog get some love. Oh. Serious? No biting. Dirty. Yeah, they do that all the time. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass because they'll fight right next to you and then they'll knock you down because the pit bull doesn't realize her own strength and weight. She comes flying at you at 80 miles an hour. But yeah, things have been pretty crazy out here. We're trying to get the well point down. I want to move the pipe down 4 feet from where it was last year. See, essentially what I got to do is now from that 90 to the next coupling is going to be 4 feet, and 24 inches down I'm already sitting full of water. That trench is about 3 feet deep, and it was about 3 feet deep around the pipe, but all the mud has kind of collapsed in on itself. So the plan is to get that 4 feet deeper, put 4 inches of styrofoam over top of the pipe, the new line. This is the old line. You get 4 inches of styrofoam on top of the pipe and beside the pipe. Come up under the house, and the water pump is just inside, right where my fingertip is. And that little section right here, I'm gonna box that in, that vertical section of pipe under the house with styrofoam, and I'll put an incandescent light bulb on a thermostat in there, and I'll have that light bulb come on whenever it gets close to freezing, so that even that little section of enclosed space where the pipe runs will be above freezing at all times, and hopefully that'll prevent the issues that we had last season. So that's what we're working with there. As far as other developments go, happy to announce that we are now the new owners of this Woodland Mills HM130 sawmill. But essentially what we can do is turn timbers like this one, turn these trees into usable lumber and beams. So we'll be able to raise a barn next year and work towards building our dream home without needing a bunch of money for material if we can source the logs ourselves. Last year we did have a hell of a time getting in and out. Some of you may have seen, if you've watched my channel from the beginning, making the driveway with that little tractor. The driveway here is really long. It goes over there till beyond that tree. It curves, it goes up a little hill, goes over by that beach, around the corner, and then follows that tree line all the way down to the road way out there. So when you get a blizzard and that drifts 36 inches high across 80% of that driveway, it's insanity. That little John Deere tractor I had took 6 hours just to dig a path out. And we were spending between $200 and $400 having the neighbor come with his large tractor to clear us out. So now, this is the solution for the 2020 season. 1995 Ford F350. This is a crew cab, dual tanks, and a 351 Windsor gas engine. Paired up with a brand new, doesn't look so new now, brand new 7'6" Boss hydraulic standard duty plow. So this plow goes up, down, left, right, side to side. I don't have a tripod handy, but I'm going to fire this truck up and I'll show you guys. I will show you guys what I can do. Alright, so here we go. So I've got this new Smart 2 controller from Boss. So double tap. Up comes the plow. Got our right. Got our left. Double tap down. And it's going to be really hard to tell, but if I double tap again, I don't know if you guys can see that. If you watched the light when I do that, it's going to put on downforce, so it actually puts 250 pounds of downforce on the blade to scrape right down to the surface. So that's a phenomenal little tool that's hopefully going to make life a lot easier for us going forward. So there you have it, guys. That's what's going on right now. The plow, the mill, and the well, and the flooding. So I'll keep you guys posted. We'll maybe try and get some more videos out in the coming weeks and show you how things are going. We'll mill some lumber, we'll plow some driveways, and we'll try to survive this crazy winter that's coming. Minus 40 is not far away, and I don't miss it very much. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.